Hello beautiful people, it's your favorite girl Munnoh. I am back with another Gele tutorial. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to tie a very simple rose Gele. If this is something you're interested in, please keep watching. For this Gele, I am going to be using the measurement 90-10. That is, one side is going to be longer than the other side by 90%. Okay, I've gone ahead to make my base pleats and I'm going to arrange them and cross at the back. Please note that I am using the 2 yards ashoke for this style. You can use any size of ashoke to achieve this same style, but this particular one that I am using is 2 yards and it has 3 layers, that is 3 joining of ashoke. After crossing at the back, I am going to take that longer flap and twist it. Okay, so I'm going to twist it. I'm twisting it loosely because I want the twist to be big. I don't want it very tiny. So if you want yours to be very tiny, go ahead and twist it tightly. But if you want it to be a little bulky, twist it loosely and proceed with the next step. I'm also going to twist that very short flap that was left out earlier. So I'm going to twist it to meet the longer one at the side